If you're looking for one monitor that can handle serious work during the day and immersive gaming at night, the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW might be exactly what you're after. This is a massive 40-inch curved 5K2K display with sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and plenty of screen space for multitasking. Whether you're editing videos, working with spreadsheets, or managing multiple windows, the extra-wide aspect ratio makes everything feel effortless. Dell has also upgraded this model with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and Thunderbolt 4 connectivity, making it a huge step up from previous UltraSharp monitors. While it's not designed as a competitive gaming monitor, casual and single-player games look fantastic thanks to the crisp resolution and fluid motion. The built-in USB hub, Ethernet, and KVM switch are also great additions if you're connecting multiple devices or switching between work and personal computers. The biggest downside? The price. It's definitely a premium monitor, and if gaming is your main priority, there are better value options available. But if you want one display that excels at productivity, content creation, and even some gaming, the Dell UltraSharp U4025QW is one of the most impressive ultra-wide monitors you can buy right now.